Give me a break, give me a break, break me up a piece of that RFC.
Hey!
Bop.
Hey, the Greedy family. Welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey, the Greedy family. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
fried chicken and rice, and people, we have the gungo.
Yes. And you have gravy, my love.
Gravy, special gravy made by me, and RFC made by me.
Yes.
Richie fried chicken in the building again. You know what it is. And this dish was requested by Renee.
Ooh.
So, hope you like it.
Hope you enjoy it. And guys, for everyone out there who has been requesting for us to cook certain things and eat certain things on Fast Food Friday, we got you. It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
But before we dig in, I want you guys to check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit today because I love it. There you go, First Lady. I start off her there. And around First Lady. Wow.
Ooh.
Stop it. That's the love for your love going. So,
This sauce is really good, honey.
grace on deck, you know that. You gotta have the grace on deck. The sauce is nice?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet like you and spicy?
And the sweet and spicy too, because you know something spicy.
You know, say spicy, man.
The rice is really good. Richie made everything.
Yes.
The fried chicken, RFC, the sauce, and the rice and peas, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I came home, dinner was prepared. Richie ain't no Tom.
I ain't no Tom. Inside joke. I ain't no Tom. And if you want to know what Tom is, probably one day I'll explain on the live. But for now, I'm not a Tom, right, First Lady? Mm-hmm. Good, right?
Delicious.
Rice nice, buttery.
Buttery. Man!
Nice.
What do you mean? My favorite part, the leg, and then I have a back.
Mm-hmm.
Now, family, I think I was being too greedy today.
Yeah, she take too much.
Come.
You want to give them a bite? What's your rice?
Who?
You're not getting a bite of my thing.
Not none of my chicken. I'm just saying.
You see that? There you go. Oh, family! What? You don't like your chicken again? Don't tell me that.
It is good.
Okay, you're frightened. We can't get up and get up again now. Yeah, it's good. Family, check out my shirt. Y'all can see? Family, you can see?
Yeah. What it says. Best dad in the galaxy.
Woohoo! Outfit of the day.
Your well one get up in there?
Yeah, she the outfit of the day soon, man. Why the chicken is for real talk?
Tom. My love.
Hold up,
Chicken tastes good, man.
I'm gonna try your thing. Look at that. It's alright. I tried. You know I like the. What's my favorite part of the chicken?
Breast.
Don't need to stress the rest.
Breast assist.
Want nothing? There you go.
Thank you. Listen.
Tastes good? I gave you a
Really
wing too.
good. I taste Everglades.
Whew. Number one variety. If you ain't got the Everglade, you don't know what you're missing. Number one. Everglade is in Walmart. And where you can find it? Walmart, right?
Sam's. Publix if you have one.
Everglade season. You know what I'm saying? So all the new family members, that's what we use. But the day one family members, they know already. Gotta have the glaze. If you don't got the glaze, not popping.
This is really good.
And then got some homemade lemonade Gotta keep it cheap and clean. Right, her lady? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bossy Brook. Mm-hmm. All right.
So, I'm excited.
Why?
Because I have a story time to tell you guys.
Wow.
The story time is funny. You know, you don't realize how much stories you have until it's time to tell them.
We tell a lot of stories.
But, you know, if you, depending on how old you are, and if you've lived, and when I say lived, I mean experienced stuff, you're gonna have stories.
True.
And you want stories because I always think about when Richie and I get older and we have grandkids, we want to tell the grandkids those stories.
Tell them what
And
you
show, you know, and have certain traditions that we do.
crispy. Yeah, I hear that.
Certain traditions that we have with our kids. Pass it on to our grandkids.
True.
Later on down the line.
True. And you like that chicken, huh?
I'm chicken is hitting.
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 I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
Good.
Look at my finger.
But before we get to the story, that's later on. We'll eat some. At first, we're kind of hungry. Had a long day. I just want to ask you how y'all doing. How was your day? How was work? Know what I'm saying? Did anybody say any rude stuff? You know? People always say rude stuff, you know? When they say it, you just gotta keep it moving, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
Keep it pushing, you know? Cause it don't make no sense
Get mad.
to get mad and go say something back to them. You know what I'm saying? And start a confrontation. So, yeah, the day was good. And if it wasn't, now it's gonna be better. You know what I'm saying? Carly gonna enjoy a little show.
You put your foot in the chicken tongue.
That man kinda last time, flap me.
Richard. I cannot say enough about this chicken.
Stop saying that, cause you know the people that don't believe me?
My God. Well, that's your
Do
problem.
y'all believe?
Your problem, that.
When I be saying the food tastes good, and first they say my food be tasting good, I want you to know if you comment if y'all believe. But one day, y'all gonna see what we're talking about. Don't worry. It's coming. Work is in progress, right, first lady? Okay? You gotta put in the work first.
Yes.
Before you could achieve. And we're gonna put in our work, and again, we're gonna stand up to our word. Right?
You want to eat?
What? Hey, food will be na mo. You gonna put it, you know, when they eat, that eat in them with.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys.
You some food first. Well, eat. First time the story now gonna work. I know y'all want to know the story, guys. You know, first you got a good story, but yeah, hold on for a minute. Let's eat some food. How you know me? My food gonna be done in a minute. Man, first they eat.
And gungo rice tastes good, man.
Mungo rice is good, right? There you go, Renee.
Last time, Renee, good choice. Last time we made red peas.
Your red peas. That one they were nice too.
Man, they're bad. What did we eat with that one? What did we eat with that?
If I'm not lying, it was the brown stew fish. Probably.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Damn, look at this big piece of RFC right here. This chicken is fried right. You like it? The chicken?
Gosh.
I try though. As long as you try. You can't feel unless you try. And if you do try, you didn't feel because you tried. Ha. See that? I said that in the word of wisdom too also. Right? I know you said, Richie, you said that in the word of wisdom. Nothing is feeling. First, from you try, it's not a feel.
Exactly. It's good, my love.
Yeah, man. Yo, but the skin nice and much. I mean, I'm chicken skin, what you buy do? I'm glad you enjoy it, girl. I ain't gonna lie, no care. Glad you enjoy it, first lady. And the rice is so nice and flaky. Chicken back now.
That's what you mean. They say the chicken back. This chicken back really should be eaten in private. Okay, for all my bone lovers,
Yep.
you know what I'm talking about. Okay, when I say in private, I mean like
You can relax and just
relax
chew up
and
every part.
just chew up every piece of bone and nobody judges you. You understand?
They won't judge you. Our family won't judge you.
Yeah, they don't
I don't judge.
They don't judge.
I really like it, you know? We ourselves.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
Right? That's why. They ain't gonna judge. But they do say though, where all that food go, y'all eat a lot. Food when I'm here. Yeah, y'all eat a lot. Not me. Stop looking at me. Y'all eat a lot.
Oh, the food goes in your beard?
My hair and my beard.
That makes sense. Cause every time you come on camera, it looks like say your hair and beard longer.
Longer, man. And this sauce that I made, it just bring it out on the rice. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's crazy. Watch out. Let me get it. Right here. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
For real, B, that's crazy. Watch out.
Look how soft the
Look how
the
soft
breast
and
is.
tender that breast is. And that's not easy. It's not easy to fry breast, you know?
Okay, so meat it.
Nice and tendery. Richie, why you keep doing that? RFC to the world. Wow, first lady, family.
But
What?
why you didn't fry your plantains?
Oh shit, I'm gonna wait for that, man.
I just realized
Next video.
there's like 4 plantains in there.
Next time. Don't do that, take too long. Next time, I got you. Got you, girl. I love that crunch, girl. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me up a piece of that RFC.
Hey!
Bop. Yup.
That was even planned.
That was even planned. Yeah, that ain't planned. See? We know.
We know each other.
Yeah. Yeah, man. No,
That wasn't planned.
That wasn't planned.
Trust
That's
me.
crazy. I was like, I know you was like, hope you don't say Kit Kat bar.
Kit Kat
And
bar.
I said, no, she ain't gonna say Kit Kat.
I said he ain't gonna say Kit Kat boy, because we talking about the RFC.
RFC to the world, family. Yeah.
Guys, you tell them now, my love?
You can tell them the story now first, lady, because we ate enough.
Excuse me. Okay.
That was good.
When I was like, maybe 11, 12, I had asked my mother if I can have a birthday party, okay? And I never had a birthday party, right? So I was like, can I have a birthday party, mommy? My mother back then was one of those strict Jamaican parents, okay? You ain't going to nobody's house, and nobody ain't coming to our house, okay? So she was like, okay, you can have a birthday party. So I was shocked when she said I could have a birthday party. So I went ahead and I'm waiting. I'm excited because my birthday is February 21st. So I'm excited. And it was like the end of January that I asked her. So I had like almost 3 weeks to tell my friends. So a week went by. We're in the beginning of February. And my mother didn't give me any invitations. She didn't tell me when I can have it, what time. Nothing. So I'm like, okay, I'll wait till next week. I know next week my mother's gonna say to me, this is how much people you can invite, this is what I'm gonna make, blah, blah, blah. The next week come. My mother ain't say nothing to me. So I said, next week is my birthday. When am I gonna have the party? When am I gonna tell people and my friends when the party is and everything? I can't tell them the last minute. Nobody's gonna come. My party gonna flop.
Party flop, man. Flop party that one.
So
Party not a shot.
So I said, Mommy, what happened to my birthday party? She said, Shanice, I told you, I'm gonna throw your birthday party. Just relax and wait and don't ask me again. So when a Jamaican parents say don't ask them again, it means don't ask them again. All right.
Done.
I ain't no fool.
You're in the top.
5 more days until my birthday. So I said, no, something is wrong. What is she waiting on?
Yeah.
I said, all right, you know what? I said, my mother got me messed up. I'm throwing myself a birthday party. I went to my sister. My sister was like 16 at the time, so we're 4 years apart. I was like, Shanette, I'm throwing me a birthday party. She was like, I don't care. And I was like, I'm gonna take my money that I've been saving, I'm gonna buy the snacks and buy the drinks, buy the invitations, and I'm gonna have a birthday party. So she was like, I don't care what you do, as long as you and your little big-headed friends don't get in my way. I said, okay. I told my friends, hey, I'm having a birthday party. Come on Friday after school. It's gonna be from 4 to 6.
Where your mom at?
Work.
Okay.
My mother don't get home till 7. That's why the party was 4 to 6. 2-hour party. Drop it like it's hot and you're gone in your yard.
Gone. Take over yourself.
So
Scotch money.
So everybody come to the house now, and I have everything set up. I have bags of chips, drinks. When I say drinks, I mean like Capri Suns, waters. I had a little cake for myself that said happy birthday. I had our radio. It was like 15 people. And we was in there jamming and partying, turning up, dancing. We had a great time. That was the best birthday party and the only birthday party I've ever had. Right? I said, all right, it's 6 o'clock. Y'all gotta go. My mom soon come home. Everybody left. My sister helped me clean up. We put everything back where it was. Up to this day, my mother still doesn't know that I threw a party for myself.
Now you know. Mums, that you a party, no?
So, maybe like a week went by. Here comes my mother. Okay, so you can give the invitations out.
Party done that.
You can give the invitations out to your friends when you can have the party on Friday since your birthday is the 24th. I said, 24th? I said, my birthday's on the...
Oh, God.
I said, Mommy, my birthday is not on the 24th.
Where your party?
She said, yes, it is. I said, Mommy, my birthday is on the 21st. She said, Shanice, your birthday? Sorry, honey.
Take your time, man, tell the story, man. Take your time. Eat.
Chicken, man, chicken.
Chicken, man.
She said, your birthday's on the 24th. I said, Mommy, it is not on the 24th. How you going to tell me? She said, how you going to tell me? So we went and got my birth certificate. And it said February 21st. So that's the reason why my mother...
We were in about the party.
Was wondering about the party because she thought it was the following week. So she had time. All you need is a week. For kids, all you need is a week. Because they're going to come. I said, Mommy, why did you think my birthday was the 24th? And it's another story time about that. So it's a reason why she thought my birthday was the 24th. Okay? That's a whole different story time.
But you turned up?
I turned up. Turn up.
I ain't no first lady then, because I turned up on her.
You know, back it up.
Always.
Back it up.
Drop it like it's hot.
But it wasn't my mom's fault why she thought my birthday was the 24th. It was, like I said, there's a story time behind that. That's a deeper story time. Deeper. Maybe when you guys get us to 100,000, I'll tell you.
Oh, that's far. It's gonna come though. That was delicious.
Delicious. Get in between the
Let
bone.
me afford them, my thing on.
Right.
Oh, alright. Spoon care and do that. Alright. Alright. That was a great story, First Lady. You got some good story. They love it for you. Y'all know you like First Lady story. Yeah, ready for that story in First Lady's story time. Chatty, Shanice.
I have some water.
You got first. Alright.
Thank you.
This one, word of wisdom, is gonna be it's a little bit long, so I'm only gonna say this one time, okay? But listen up and listen carefully right now, because it's gonna be a decent one. Ready, First Lady? Okay, my mom. Okay, real relationship should be reciprocal. If you are always giving, and giving, then more situation will be created where people take. Don't allow yourself to be taken advantage of anymore. Value yourself and speak up for what you deserve. You understand?
I do that all the time.
All right.
Right, my love?
All the time, First Lady.
All the time.
All the time. So I hope you enjoy. I know it was a pretty long, but you could always rewind it and then listen up to the words. You know what I'm saying? Think of that one. All that giving and giving. Don't look at me so. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. That's Shanice and this is Richie, aka First Lady. Do your thing, First Lady.
All right, guys. Now listen. I know my husband said, please share the video, like and subscribe, like he always says. But I want to make sure that we emphasize the sharing.
Yep.
Sharing is caring.
It's free.
Yeah.
Free. Come on. I gotta let them know. I gotta let them know. Free to share.
We want to get our video out there to as many people as possible, and you just never know. Okay? So share the video. Share the video.
Just
okay?
like come at these little greedy people that chat too much with his chatty wife.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.